welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another Sunday, another video. Okay, so title से तो पढ़ ही लिया होगा. We are doing one of the most requested videos on my channel, which is earrings. Basically, another jewelry haul. Earrings, but yeah, a few more. Thank you for all the love that I've been getting on my channel lately. I keep stalking my own channel and another day I saw this. Yes, तुम लोग ने लिली ओरिजिन वाले हॉल को इतना सारा प्यार दिया. I'm just overwhelmed and that brings me here to make another jewelry video because I'm sure you guys have been loving it. मैंने अपनी सारी jewelry almost यहाँ निकाल करके रख ली है and अभी I have to select क्योंकि obviously मैं इतना सब कुछ एक साथ review नहीं कर सकती. Still I'll try to cover as much as I can and हम part 2 भी कर सकते हैं यार. ना मैं कहीं जा रही हूँ ना तुम कहीं जा रहे हो. So I hope तुम लोग इस वीडियो को भी उतना ही प्यार दोगे जितना तुमने उस वीडियो को दिया है. जितने भी मुझे चीजें याद होगी मैंने कहाँ से ली है, कुछ ऑनलाइन परचेज किए, कुछ ऑफलाइन स्टोर से, कुछ ऐसे ही सामने से a man was passing by on his bicycle selling jewelry, मैंने उससे भी खरीद ली. I love buying jewelry lately. I have been obsessed with this. So without further ado, let's get started. That was a lot of introduction, you guys. I mean, बहुत ज़्यादा introduction हो गया है ना. मैं अपने आप में confused हो गई हूँ what to show or not. So I'm just gonna start picking boxes one by one, and मैं सब categories में divide करके तुम्हें कुछ pieces दिखा दूंगी from each category. Okay. So our first category is small size earrings, छोटी झुमकीज, छोटे studs and small loops. All these that I'm going to show for now are for ₹30. A lot of them I have got from a offline store close to my house at Kapil Nagar, which is Sapna Cosmetic. I have got a few from Check-in Boutique as well. That's my mom. Say hi. Okay. Recently went to Koradi and Adasa. The vlog is on my channel. Link मिल जाएगा description में, जाके देख लो नहीं देखा है तो. मैंने वहाँ से भी बहुत सारी purchase की. So our first category is small size earrings under or for ₹30. Max 50 का होगा एक दो. So I have these very pretty silver झुमकीज, एकदम छोटी सी. And small silver earrings are one of those basic things that every girl should have. मतलब these are a must have. मेरे पास एक और टाइप की छोटी सिल्वर झुमकी है that I wear a lot. It is such a pretty yet a simple झुमकी and मैं इसे बहुत सारी चीजों पे बहुत बार पहन चुकी हूँ. These are another a very special pair for me that I got for ₹15 from Birdie Market. Nagpurians, you know this feeling. Okay, so this one. It is so cute, so catchy at the same time, and I absolutely love wearing this as well. Next I have these studs for ₹50. So these are silver studs with hints of blue and ये इतने सुंदर लगते हैं पहने हुए. I mean, they give that big elongated feeling. You make those buns और उसपे ये बहुत ही सुंदर लगता है. We also have 2 pairs of चांद बालीज जो मेरी दादी की एकदम फेवरेट थी और वो बोलती थी तू ना कभी ऐसी गोल्ड की बनवाना. So these ये ब्लैक कलर की है with golden और ये इतनी प्रिटी लगती हैं पहनी हुई. And I also have similar ones in multicolor. Both of these are for ₹30 each and मेरे घर के बाजू में एक स्टोर खुला था, मैंने ये वहीं से खरीदी थी. I have bought bulk of earrings from them for only ₹30. And these two are also another favorites of mine. ये ढूंढ रही थी मैं तब से. For the last one in the small section category is this. Another pair of black metal silver earrings. इतने प्यारे लगते हैं ये पहने हुए on your short kurtis and all, and I love wearing them. Now comes our category number 2, which is थोड़े बड़े वाले earrings, the heavy ones actually. One, I have these. I have already wore these in a very fave get ready with me of mine. I hope तुम लोग ने देखा होगा. ये काफी heavy है actually, as heavy as they look, and they are beautiful. I got it for ₹230. They look beautiful. Next I have these. I again have shown them in a get ready with me of mine. They are so heavy and extremely pretty. The design is just so different than what we usually get in earrings. And this one is also for around 200-250 के बीच की. I got it from Check-in Boutique. And okay, so let's show एक आधा golden also. So the problem with golden is that मुझे perfectly golden oxidized earrings नहीं मिलते. Every time I go to purchase some golden oxidized jewelry, मुझे वो बेकार वाला golden दिखता है. That I'll show you. I ended up buying a set from Meesho which was just pathetic. So these are not from West Side. मैंने बस इसे West Side के कार्ड पे लगा करके रखा है. So ये मेरी दी के हैं. I wanted them for a shoot और मैं लेकर के आई थी उनसे. And see, this is what a perfect oxidized gold looks like. वो एकदम bright gold वाला gold मुझे उतना appealing नहीं लगता है. So I don't have too many options in golden, but I have a few. वो मैं तुम लोग को दिखाऊंगी. Is one by Jazz. I have a suit that I bought from Myntra. तो मैंने ये उसके लिए खरीदे. दो मैंने already Ever Stylish Jewelry से कुछ studs बुला लिए थे, but when I saw them, these were perfect for that suit. These are for 399. This elongated look over here makes it look so chic, and it is just a beautiful pair. Another in golden from West Side in the same look, to be honest. These are one of my favorite jhumkas that I have. They are long, they are beautiful, and they are heavy. These are for 299 और these are a steal deal, man. इतने ज़्यादा pretty लगते हैं. You wear it on sarees, suits. I also wear it on kurtis, and they are absolutely beautiful. मम्मा ने मुझे लेकर के दिए थे, and they are just. Because this, I like this kind of style in earrings other than the jhumki, the chandbali. So I ended up buying one in silver as well. ये West Side की recent collection में से है for 299 again, and they are gorgeous. I mean, can you hear this? Yes, these, and ये इतने ज़्यादा pretty लगते हैं. मैंने अभी तक style नहीं किया है, but घर में बहुत बार पहन करके देख लिया है. Last from the lot, but my favorite from the lot are these. I mean, just look at them. I mean, other than from being pretty, they are very special to me because they are gifted. And मतलब ये इतने heavy हैं, इन्हें थोड़ी ज़्यादा देर पहन करके obviously मुझे feel होता है that I'm wearing a good earring. And I absolutely love them. They are the perfect oxidized earring. They are so they give that traditional and boho vibe जो मुझे बहुत पसंद आती है. So if you are aware of the trends, so you know that loops are in a lot of fashion. आजकल everybody is wearing loops. The golden loops are so much in trend. The beaded ones, the long ones, the big loops. All of these, the pearl ones, इतनी ज़्यादा in चल रही है. So our next category consists of some hoops that are a must-have. Starting off with the most basic silver hoop, which is a must-have, and this one is for 199 from West Side. सबसे basic, I wear it on everyday basis actually. एकदम chic, एकदम classic, and you can never go wrong with this. ऐसी same मेरे पास एक गोल्ड में भी है, but they are the round ones actually. This is another shape because तब मुझे मिली नहीं थी उस टाइप की. I also have this, which one was for ₹60 that I got from an offline shop actually कहीं से. And these are also in a different shape, which makes them very classic, and they are also very catchy. I also have another pair of this hoop, and ये इतनी ज़्यादा स्मार्ट है. इस पे बहुत ही प्रिटी और एकदम मतलब दिखेगी नहीं ऑन कैमरा, बट इस पे ना डिटेलिंग की हुई है थोड़ी. देयर आर सम लाइंस, एंड ये बहुत ही अच्छा पीस है. मैंने इतना पहना है और इतना टाइम हो गया, और ये अभी भी इट्स एज फ्रेश एज डे इट वॉज ऑन द डे वन. अनदर पेयर ऑफ सिल्वर इयररिंग्स. सो ये ट्रिपल हुप है, three layers of hoop in a single one, and I have the same in gold as well. Hoops में फिर भी चल जाता है. Western jewelry, like the ethnic one and the Western jewelry has a lot of difference, so इतना फर्क नहीं पड़ता. These are for again ₹30 और ये मैंने कोराड़ी से खरीदी. And ये इतनी pretty है. I mean, just look at it, you guys. It's a steal deal. See. इनकी एक layering है बीच में, in between two thin metal layers, which is just so cool for ₹30. I mean, इससे ज़्यादा if you're asking, you're greedy, okay? Talking about different types of hoops also bring me to these colorful beaded ones that I got from Lele Origin, if you guys remember. मुझे comments में बताओ, मैंने इतने सारे earrings mention किए Get Ready With Me वाले, तुमने कौन से देखे? चलो comments में बताओ, मैं देखती हूँ who's my honest subscriber. And bringing two different types of loop also brings me to these cowrie shell loops, again for ₹30 each. This one I got from Koradi and this one I got from an offline store. इतनी pretty earrings है ये दोनों ही, and they are so unique, so different. You can style them on your western outfits, you can make it boho, and it is really good. I mean, these ethnic loops from West Side that my dad got for me are for $199. इन पे पूरी ये एंग्रेविंग है एंड ये इतनी प्रिटी हुप्स है. दे आर फॉर $199. आई हैव अ श्रग फ्रॉम मिंत्रा जिसका भी मैंने गेट रेडी विद मी डाला है. सो उसके साथ मैंने इसे स्टाइल किया है 4-5 बार. आई मोस्टली प्रेफर स्टाइलिंग इट ऑन एथनिक श्रग्स एंड स्कर्ट्स ऑल्सो, और ये बहुत ही ज्यादा प्रिटी लगती है. सो नॉट जस्ट दैट, लूप्स आर फॉर वेस्टर्न एंड तुम्हें वो गोल्डन वाली पहननी है बिकॉज इट्स इन ट्रेंड. डू समथिंग डिफरेंट, बाय ऐसे टाइप की एक एथनिक टाइप की लूप भी, बिकॉज कम ऑन यार, बी डिफरेंट, बी कूल. दैट ब्रिंग्स मी टू माई लास्ट set of loops. So I have this one in silver from West Side. I had a similar one in gold also, but इसके 3 pair earrings पता नहीं कहाँ है. But I have a pearl one also and I have this one as well. So this set was for ₹200. I got it from Meesho and it was phenomenal. This is where it all started. This is where Alia Bhatt began it all. And now it's favorite for everybody. These I got in that. मेरे को यही वाली चाहिए थी, कहीं मिल नहीं रही थी, so I ended up ordering the entire set of 6 loops from Meesho for just ₹200. Of course इनकी शाइन चली गई थोड़े दिन बाद, and but yet they still look nice. थोड़ी ऐसे copper feels में भी ये बहुत pretty लगती हैं, and yeah, they are quite a statement piece as well. This is our last set of the lot, and this is a set of 5 earrings that I got for just $299. I mean, all of them are in trend. I mean, जितने भी इसमें patterns है, the basic silver one, मेरे पास same ऐसी golden में भी थी that I bought from Lele Origin, but it was quite disappointing because थोड़े time में इसका color काफी चला गया, मतलब थोड़ा बहुत तो ठीक है, बहुत ज़्यादा ही चला गया. So the same ones in silver, the same in another shape which is very statement. One pearl one, another one in this ruche pattern and a thinner one of the same. They all 5 of them are different in its own self and तुम्हारे everyday outfits के साथ style करने के लिए it is perfect. We have our 2 last categories left and the amount of mess and pieces I have here for the 2 categories is just, and the amount of mess on the bed, just don't ask you guys, it's a lot. But before moving on to our 2 categories, I would like to add on this in the middle. मैं ये 2 pair ऐसे दिखा रही हूँ. I am not doing the category right now, but talking about statement earring studs, these one from Ever Stylish Jewelry is just amazing. I have a matching ring which is a Musafir ring from Ada Jewelry. I'm going to mention their handle down. And these are from Ever Stylish Jewelry. And I also got a matching neck piece. So मेरा ये पूरा set है for 4. I have matching Musafir earrings, I have a ring, and I now also own a neck piece. I must have some statement earrings. And which also brings me to my favorite pair of earring studs, which is just so classy and so chic. Rare times when Ahana buys something other than oxidized, to be honest, and this is one of those pair. So I went to attend a exhibition by Malika in Tuli International with my mom. I also did a vlog in a hall. The link is again in the description if you haven't watched it. Thanks, my mom's here for just some refreshments. Favorite pair of earring studs. ये साड़ी पे बहुत सुंदर लगते हैं. These were for 600, but they are worth the money. I mean, मुझे इतने the detailing they're just so crisp. I'm gonna do a get ready with me soon with this one, and you all better be prepared for it. Okay. So our next category is handmade boho aesthetic wali category. So for the first one in that category we have these. They are I know. हाँ, take a minute. Breathe. देख लो, अच्छे से देख लो. They are just so pretty, and my dad got these for me from Pachmadi, and ये इतने सुंदर हैं. I love ऐसे टाइप की चीजें made out of shells, sea shells, cowrie shells. I think ये बहुत ही ज्यादा different होते हैं, and they just change. They are like a game changer for your outfit. And मुझे ऐसी boho minimalistic टाइप की jewelry काफी पसंद है. I really like wearing them. So this is one of those pieces. The next one in the lot is quite similar like the first one, yet so different in its own way, which is this. Cowrie shells are literally original and so heavy. Also use this in one of my get readies with me again. And ये भी मुझे किसी ने गिफ्ट की थी, and ये बहुत ज़्यादा pretty. इस पे लिखा तो है पीछे 730 rupees यहाँ पर, but I don't know if it's the correct price or not. But ये बहुत ही pretty earrings है, and considering the title of aesthetic, how can I miss this one? These are from Endeavoring, और मैंने अपने हॉल में भी इन्हें दिखाया था. These rainbow earrings, they make me feel like a 7-year-old kid again wearing. I absolutely love these as well. Talking about boho, these glass earrings are super duper boho that I recently bought from Koradi for just ₹30 again. ये glass red color का. He told me that these were available in some 9 to 10 colors और सिर्फ red बचा है. And when I looked at it, I thought that मुझे रेड ही लेने का मन था. अगर ब्लैक होता I would have ditched it, but after black my priority for colored earrings is just red or blue sometimes, turquoise blue. मैंने इसलिए बोल दिया because that's our next piece. These blue turquoise blue beaded earrings from Ada Jewelry. Must have. तुम कितनी भी ये ready-made loops खरीद लो, if you have these kind of earrings in your collection, then we can be friends and I can call it a collection. नहीं तो फिर कोई chance है नहीं. मतलब these thread multicolor thread earrings which are just gorgeous. Wear a white suit, don't add any color. Wear these earrings with a multicolor jutti. Again for ₹30 only. These from Ever Stylish Jewelry. I saw some influencer wearing it, and yes, you ended up influencing Ahana Sharma to buy these. I not just ended up buying this, but I also bought a patch print skirt just the way she was wearing because she was looking phenomenal. I don't even know who she was, but you just added something really beautiful in my collection. These very pretty scooter earrings. Yes, इनका नाम ही scooter earrings है, और ये कितने ज़्यादा सुंदर है, you guys. These were for I think 200 rupees and lightweight, yet they keep all the weight of styling on their head. This one from Jazz for $299. Evil Eye blue and black earrings. So this has a story. I went to Pantaloons to get something and I saw these. New collection आया था. I wanted to get them, but I ended up buying something else. Went again, the same thing happened. Went again, the same thing happened. जब इसका एक last piece बचा था ना, मैं तब फिर गई to get those little golden hoops from Jazz. These that I just showed you. तब मैं ये खरीद कर लाई अपने लिए because I thought ये आखिरी पीस तो मेरे लिए रखा है भगवान ने. And that brings us to our last piece of the category. This one is very very special to me. ये मुझे कल ही मिला है actually of the day I'm shooting this. So Nanu auntie gave me this, and this is pure art and it is handmade. I mean, just take a minute and look at this beauty, you guys. I mean, तुम लोग देख रहे हो ये कितना सुंदर है, देख पा रहे हो या नहीं मेरी आंखों से? This is such a pretty piece and it is so special that she has made it, and every time I see people making these themselves, instead they can just go online, search for it and buy them. I don't think milta bhi hoga ab to. This is tapping art, she told me, but it is just beautiful that she made it herself. And I mean, no marks, no words, nothing that can describe her talent, and it is just gorgeous and I can't wait to style it. On that note, let's end our category and move on to our last and final category. Moving on to our last category, जल्दी सब्सक्राइब कर दो क्योंकि ये साफ कौन करेगा. As usual, looks like I'm sitting on a bed of earrings, literally. So I've ended up choosing 3 from the big earrings category, सबसे बड़े and heavy वाले earrings जो मेरे पास हैं. On the number 1 is these glass work earrings जो बीच में बहुत ज्यादा वायरल हो गए थे on Instagram. हर jewelry पेज पर ये अवेलेबल थे, but these are gifted. मैंने ये नहीं खरीदे हैं, मुझे मिले हैं as gift from someone, and someone very very special. They are just gorgeous, and I love her who gave me these. So they are just बहुत ही ज्यादा प्रिटी लगते हैं. आई हैव स्टाइल्ड इट ऑन माई वेरी फर्स्ट कम बैक यूट्यूब वीडियो जब मैंने चैनल फिर से चालू किया था लास्ट ईयर इन अक्टूबर. सो द फर्स्ट दिवाली गेट रेडी विद मी दैट आई मेड was with these earrings, and when I look back I can only think of the time that I've come a long way, and this is just so special and very nostalgic. And a type of glass earrings is also a must have. Next, again in somewhere a little bit of glass work, yet one of the most, मतलब my mom and my dadi were here and we all were sitting and talking जब मेरा ये पार्सल आया और मैंने खोला, and like oh my god, कान नहीं डिग जाना. हाँ, मैं जब पा लेती ना मेरा कान नहीं डिग जाना, बट ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. दे लुक हैवी, दे आर हैवी और थोड़े से हैं, बट उतने भी कोई हैवी नहीं है. दे आर वेरी वेरी प्रिटी, एंड साड़ी वाड़ी पे पहनो यार, कितने सुंदर लगेंगे. बड़े बड़े घेर वाले सूट्स पे पहनो ऐसे इयररिंग्स, दे जस्ट लुक ब्यूटीफुल. Again a pair that is gifted, and it is just so special to me. I mean, words are less to describe how special these are to me. अच्छे से मिनट ले लो, इनको निहार लो, तुम लोग ध्यान से देखो ये, और फिर मुझे बताना नीचे कमेंट्स में कि ये कितने सुंदर है. I mean, just another pair of earrings that are gifted as in I was along, so I knew how much these costed. These were for 350 rupees, and I just liked it and I left it. I thought we'll take it some other day, but okay. Another very beautiful pair, इनमें beaded work भी है, pearls की detailing है. This Jhumki is obviously so much in, the perfect oxidized silver that you need. Wear it on suits, be it sarees, wear it on anything, and बस तुम्हें और कोई jewelry या accessories की जरूरत नहीं है. If you're wearing a big huge ass statement earrings, they are enough to fulfill your accessories का वो need in a outfit. And yeah, that is pretty much it. To all the people who love wearing oxidized jewelry and often come across hearing that you wear so much artificial, did I ask you to wear it? This should be a reply to everybody, and send them this video whosoever comes up to you telling that why are you wearing so much artificial jewelry, because I own it. Okay, to everybody who is scared or complexed by wearing these things, don't. Wear it all, flex it all, you do you. Okay, this is the last thing that I want to tell to some people that I often talk to about these things. This is your sign to buy lots and lots of jewelry, everything that you think looks pretty on you, everything that makes you feel beautiful, and do what makes you happy other than listening to what people think, because no matter what you do, they are ultimately going to speak about it. And on that note, मुझे कमेंट्स में बताना मत भूलना कि इनमें से तुम्हारा कौन सा पेयर सबसे ज्यादा फेवरेट था. मैं नेकलेसेस और बहुत कुछ नहीं कवर कर पाई, बट इफ वी एंड अप कंप्लीटिंग 1,000 views on this one also. I'm gonna bring up with the part 2, and I promise that for sure. Thank you so much for all the love, and keep supporting, help me grow. Subscribe to my channel for more, and I'm gonna see you guys next time. Bye.